हेलो गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। आई होप यू ऑल आर डूइंग ग्रेट। तो आज मैं आपके लिए लेके आई हूँ एक बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग मेकअप लुक, दैट इज़ समर मेकअप लुक, बिकॉज समर्स ऑलमोस्ट यहाँ आ गई हैं और आई थॉट व्हाई नॉट डू द क्लीन गर्ल मेकअप लुक ट्रेंड, तो दोनों काम हो जाएंगे। आई विल क्रिएट अ क्लीन लुक, लाइक अ नो मेकअप लुक यूजिंग मिनिमल प्रोडक्ट्स, ताकि हमें वो समर में भी हेल्प करें, बिकॉज इट्स really very hot now. Then I'll take a very different approach. मैं like step by step मेकअप नहीं करूँगी, बिल्कुल वैसे करूँगी जैसे मैं अपने कॉलेज जाने के लिए रश करती हूँ, और just the required products I use and then I am off to my college. So guys, जो first product I am going to use is a hydrating mist. Created this DIY facial mist. So yeah, I'll just shake it well and spray all over my face. This feels amazing because now it's summer, so I keep this in the refrigerator. This is going to be a very quick look. तो मैं layer by layer makeup नहीं लगा रही, so I'll just mix थोड़ा सा moisturizer, थोड़ा सा sunscreen and थोड़ा सा highlighter, liquid highlighter, and mix it all over and make it as a makeup base. Here I have taken some moisturizer, then I am taking the Color Bar sunscreen, liquid highlighter from Swiss Beauty. So I'm going to mix all the three. So you can see we got the hydration of moisturizer, we got the sunscreen protection, and we got a very good highlighting makeup base, and it is perfect for no makeup look or the clean girl look. And don't forget to put it on your ears, on the back of your neck, all over your neck. So guys, this is how my face looks. You can see it looks so glowing, and it does not look very white, because when I use that Color Bar sunscreen, my full face turns out very white and it can be seen separately. So yes, this is a good thing. So the next step we are going to do is actually hide all my dark circles and the dark patches on my face. And so I always use these two concealers, I mean not these two, but a darker concealer and one is a lighter concealer. And today we are not going to work with any foundation, so yes, I'm going to use this Plume microfiber sponge and blend everything. You can literally see the difference on both the eyes, but that is not it, because I did not color correct my under eye area. I would require some more amount of concealer, I suppose, and I'm using a damp beauty blender. Even now I am able to see my darkness around my eyes, but I think that is it. I want to keep it natural and don't want it to be full coverage. To make the cream blush, I am going to take some amount of lipstick on the back of my hand, and I'm going to mix moisturizer into it. By this method you can actually reduce the pigmentation of the blush, and it is easy to apply as well. We are going to simply blend it, so you can see that the blush has really the blush has blended into the skin and looks so natural. Here I am using the Color Bar compact powder, so I'll just use a fluffy small brush and set my under eye area and my highlight. So now I'm going to use an eyebrow pencil just to fill in my eyebrows. I'll try not to overdo it so that it looks natural. I think my eyebrows look good enough. I'm going to use a bronzer. This is from Rimmel. I'm going to take a big fluffy blending brush and take the same bronzer and just put it around my eyes. So for the lips, I am going with a lipstick from Wet n Wild. It is in the shade Bare It All. See, perfect fleshy tone. Just love the shade. I hope you guys enjoyed this look. This is the final look and you can literally see how natural my makeup looks. I did not use any foundation. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial and अगर आपको ये वीडियो अच्छा लगा हो तो don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and share to my YouTube channel. और ये look ये tutorial ज़रूर try कीजिए. बहुत easy है, simple है और मेरे जैसे lazy लोगों के लिए बहुत अच्छा है. So thank you so much for watching my video. I'll see you